They wanna know who's that girl. Yeah, come on.
Hi you guys, how y'all doing? Okay, so today I want to do something creepy. I want to do a beauty and a hair. By the way, this right here is a wig. I actually got it from Up, and it was just because there was supposedly hair extensions and it looked so pretty, and I was like, girl, I'll drive 30 minutes to go get it. So I went. Big fail. It was not the what I wanted. It was this. So I was like, whatever. I came from all the way over there, so whatever. I'll just buy it and I could do something out of it. So like a doll or whatever. Okay. So now I'm gonna put my hair up. Well, my fake hair, my wig. I'm gonna use a clip. You can also use a rubber band or whatever to hold your hair back up. So let's get this started. I don't remember feeling like this. I just love this baby girl right here. I just love it. So I just like to put this around my face, and then my lips are on. I'm thirsty. Alright, this is one of my favorite drinks that I like, and it's from Walmart. And it's only like 69, 68 cents for this. It's better than soda. It's just this flavor water is the shit, let me tell you. Yeah. Let me take a sip before I start with my face. Stay thirsty, my friend. Ooh, my song. I got the morphine. Ooh, just wait a minute, my song about to start. Let me tell you, I gotta go. I just love that song. I just love that song. Okay. I got this MEHRON. So I'm gonna go in with the black. No, not black. So I'm going in with the white. And I'm just gonna go from here straight down the middle. Because I want to do half beauty and then the half scary. So I'm just gonna go like this. Alright, so I got the cotton and some latex. Also from the same brand. Oops. Same brand. Morphe. Alright, so what I'm going to do with the cotton, I'm just going to cut it down to little pieces, as you can see. So it does not have to be perfect when you're like putting it on, because it's gonna be messy either way, so remember that. Make sure to add my Facebook, Snapchat, and of course my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, you guys. If you like this look, thumbs up and subscribe me.